My name is Soren, and in this video, I'm going to go over different ways that you can create money from being on TikTok and having a TikTok following. So the first way, and this is the most stereotypical way any influencer or content creator can make money, but that is through brand deals. And on TikTok, we're going to see a massive rush of money coming to the platform with in-app purchases and links. And this is completely going to change the way content creators can make a living, because there's a lot of niches that don't necessarily offer products or services for the type of content that they create, but this will allow them to make tons of money from that as well and be able to create better content for that. Now, when it does come to creating brand deals, I always recommend that you only make brand deals for products you've tested or actually believe in, or use yourself on a day-to-day basis. If you're not, you're just looking like a sellout and you're going to lose a lot of credibility with your following, which affects you continuing to grow on TikTok. It also affects future brand deals you can land. So make sure you do that very carefully. They are some difficult wires to navigate. If you do it correctly, it's a great way to make extra income as a content creator and still provide great value to your following and continue to grow as well. The next thing I want to talk about are memberships and courses. Memberships, just about any type of content creator can make, and you can do that for exclusive content on your platform. And whether or not that is educational is up to you. People just might want to further look into your life. If you are a educational content creator, whether it's finance, investing, real estate, hair care, beauty care, fitness, whatever it may be, you can make all kinds of informational and educational memberships where they get direct access to you and help from you as well, or other content that you want to post on there. With courses, this is mainly for educational courses where you can provide tons of value to your audience and help your audience learn a skill set that can benefit them in their own lives, or learn to do something enjoyable, whether it is perhaps painting or any type of other art. Sharing your skills is a great way to create income as a content creator or influencer on TikTok. The next thing is one-on-one coaching. One-on-one coaching is by far one of the best ways to increase your income the fastest on TikTok. And this really works well for anyone in the business industry or service provider industry, or even in the product industry as well. If you have a skill set, of course, like I said earlier, that you can educate people on and that is beneficial to other people, you can create a lot of different products or services through one-on-one coaching, from 90-minute intensives to 6, 12, and 12-month-long courses or week courses. And this can be a great way to really up your income immediately, so you can quit your 9-to-5 job and be a full-time content creator or influencer as well. One of the other ways you can make money on TikTok is through creating merch. This really only works super well if you have a brand for your business, or you have created a personal brand around yourself. I always recommend looking at the masters of doing this, people like Logan and Jake Paul, or Mr. Beast himself. They have great examples of how they create merch and other types of content related products that they sell on their websites and sell at mass volumes as well. I recommend really looking into it a lot before you start doing it, because there is less of a margin there than on other things, and it can be very costly, especially if you don't have the right personal brand built up as well, where people are really invested in you and who you are. Another great way you can create income is by answering questions that your audience has and charging per question answered. You can either answer in a text, voice, or video format. There's tons of different platforms that allow you to do this and charge for your answers as well. It's a great way if you have a massive following and people are asking you tons of questions and you just can't get to them all, to really monitor that and also to monetize it as well, because your time, of course, is money. One of the last ways I want to talk about to create money on TikTok is by entering the creator fund. You get about 3 cents per 1,000 views. So it's not super advantageous unless you're getting millions upon millions of views per month, because you're making about $30 per million views. So you have to be getting tons of views for that to really add up. However, if you are getting millions of views, it could be a great option for you as well. The other thing is, because you have traffic on TikTok, you can direct it to other locations as well. So if you are growing a massive following on TikTok, like hundreds of thousands of followers, you might want to consider starting a YouTube, because you can make tons of money from YouTube AdSense, and it's also a great way to build your following and get more reach, because the type of consumer on each platform, the type of user is different. So you can, by channeling some of your following from TikTok to YouTube, you can reach a new audience and expand your audience as well. And it's a great it's another great opportunity to expand and make more brand deals as well. Same with sending it to a podcast if you have your own podcast. That wraps up all of the different ways that you can really make money from your TikTok that I want to talk about right now in this video. If you have any other ideas, let me know down in the comments. I love to hear any creative ideas you have for monetizing your TikTok following and making money as a content creator. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm always creating new content with different ideas and ways that you can make money online and through social media. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.